I've gone from doing really slow to doing really well. Happy days. Oh, a dishwasher. Tucked behind it. There's a lovely little microwave. That on. Perseverance. Perseverance is the key, guys. Is the key. Worst thing to strip is a dishwasher. Slice your hands right open. Got to be very careful with them. Old Russell Hobbs microwave. Get on. Let's have this on. Tell you what, that cooker don't look half decent. Well, it looks half decent, I mean. You know what I mean? I think I'm going to plug that in and try that. Let's move this out the way a minute. Get this off of there. Like I say, with these dishwashers you've got to be very, very careful, because they're very, very sharp. Look at that. Gone from nothing, or a tiny bit, to all that. Happy days, eh, guys? A few ducks in the back flying. Can get some more tat. We got a bit more. Oh, a couple of nice lamps there. Oh, got to be worth £1 each.